Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Apps Every Day, and today we're talking about the amazingly updated Banfield app. So we've talked about Banfield before. They're a service that provides a wellness program for your dogs and pets. We've been using them for a couple years now, and they're just awesome. They're all over the country, so when you pay for one wellness program, even if we're traveling to another state, we know that we could still get help if they needed to see some sort of vet. But anyway, let's check out what the app has to offer. So essentially what they updated was a much needed overhauled design. You can change things like payment methods finally in here, but let's get into it here. So you can see my two dogs here. You can see when their last visitation. You can add another pet. I'm going to go into Sammy, for example, and right from here I can schedule a visit. So now I can tap in here and I can tell them what sort of visit it is. General. You can see that they don't need these. Now you can see at the top, dental cleaning, comprehensive exam are grayed out because they've already had theirs for the year. So that immediately tells me I don't need to have that happen. But you can see drop downs for the other two here. And so let's say I was just doing a general visit. Again, maybe they're not feeling great. You can select from these different symptoms and add any additional details if you want. Let's say they're doing those three things. And it's going to load in the different vets' schedules and tell you when you can see them. Now below that you have all of the information that you need. Now this is something that was a total pain in the ass on the previous update, not only on the app but also on the website. And so now if I'm going to board them or seeing another vet or just needing the information for whatever reason, so I can see things like vaccine dates. So you can see here very easily when they were last given and when they're due again. Shareable records is awesome because again, if we board them, if we're going on vacation or needing to travel, I can go records for boarding. And then what it's going to do is put together a nice PDF of all the vaccines, all the treatments, and all the different testing they've done, and I can immediately email this, share it, fax it, whatever, to the proper place that they're being boarded without ever having to call to get those records. I can also see a nice little weight tracker. Sammy, obviously, as she's grown up, has gained a little bit of weight, and we can see that weight progression there, but she's still healthy. She is in the optimal weight. And the pet profile here, just the basic stuff. At the bottom, you can also see the optimum wellness plan. Again, this is that plan that you pay monthly for. And I know there's a lot of debate around this, and that's totally fine. Everyone do what you think is right. But basically the reason we signed up first is when we first got them, we went through and did all the, comprehensive whatever plans and got them all up to date on everything. And when they went to give us the bill, it was literally going to be like $920 for the two dogs to get everything done. And then they're like, or you can pay like, 40 or 50 bucks a month, get all this included, and then all the other benefits that are I explained before. So honestly, just having this monthly just keeps it easier. I don't have to worry about a couple times a year having a much bigger bill, and knowing that I can take them to the vet without any extra charges anytime I need to. It's just a great peace of mind for me. So there you have it, guys. That is taking a look at the latest update to the Banfield app. Let me know down in the comments below if you have your pets covered through Banfield or if you have a better service out there that you would recommend. See you guys tomorrow for another Apps Every Day.